Hey everyone, Daniel from Dom Parts here, and today we'll be covering how to test your spray tips to see if they need replacing. Did you know that spray tips may be one of the most overlooked components in spraying today? Even in countries with mandatory sprayer testing, spray tips are often a point of failure, and yet they're one of the most critical tools for proper chemical application. When spray tips are even slightly worn, the costs are more than you may think. You're wasting water, chemical, and your time, plus the quality of your application does suffer, and that can mean uneven crops, more weeds, or even lower yields. The best way though to check for wear is by comparing the flow rate of your current tip to the advised rates of new ones. You can do this simply by using a measuring jug and a timer set for 1 minute. If the flow rate of your used tip is more than 10% higher than one of the new ones, it's time for a change. Taking care of your spray tips isn't hard, but it is essential to get good, effective use from them. Always clean them with a soft bristled brush, never metal tools, and make sure your system has adequate strainers to prevent clogging. Remember, even cleaning with something as simple as a wooden toothpick can distort the face of the orifice. TeeJet spray tips are designed for precision and built to last, meeting strict ISO and European standards for flow accuracy, ensuring consistent performance. But even the best tips need regular care and maintenance to keep your application on point. Spray tips may be small, but they play a huge role in the success of your crops. Inspect them regularly, replace them when needed, and you'll get precision application every time. Remember, success starts with the details. Don't let your spray tips be the weak link in your operation. Come in and see us at Dom Distribution today to see our complete range of TeeJet parts for a variety of spray applications. Look forward to seeing you soon.